So now if you head on over to our website, you'll find that the home page is empty, which is of course a bad user experience. The user is going to have a terrible user experience. We need to add something here. So what I'm going to add here is that I'm going to add two big buttons that would let the user go to either the simple or advanced calculator. So here in the home page, in the index.html, I'm going to add two buttons. Specifically, I'm going to be using I'm going to be using the Jumptron. Remember this block. Let me show you where this block is. This block, this code, I'm going to be using this code. Let me copy it from here and let me paste it in the index.html. So I'm going to paste it twice. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to also paste it one more time just below it. And I'm going to say here, use simple, here simple calculator. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to just remove this this P. We don't need this. And here I'm going to say use advanced calculator, and I'm going to also remove this one, and let me save and head on over back to the browser to show you the difference. Let me refresh and show you that now we have these two, and we don't need this, by the way. Let me just remove it. Let me save and refresh one more time, and as you can see, we have here use simple calculator or use advanced calculator. And I'm also going to center these texts. So for this one, I'm going to say text center, and also for this one, I'm going to say text center. And let me refresh, and as you can see, they are centered. Finally, I'm going to add a button. So we need to activate these two. And by the way, you can change the color for these. So you can say you can add this text in a button. So I'm going to say here button or a tag, and then inside that a tag, I'm going to paste this text, and I'm going to add a class. I'm going to add a bootstrap class called btn primary. And let me save and refresh and show you that we have here use simple calculator. And I'm going to add here, I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to add here a tag, and then I'm going to say class, and then it's going to be equal to btn primary, or let's say success, and then we're going to paste. I'm going to copy this and paste it inside the button itself. And let me refresh and show you that it's going to look amazing. As you can see, we have here two buttons. And by the way, if you are not satisfied with the button, you can use, instead of using btn primary, you can use the alert. Remember, we have the alert and then alert primary. Let me save and refresh. Now it's going to look a little different. As you can see, it looks amazing. You can use either this or the button, so it's up to you. Let me just be consistent and use the alert for now. I'm going to use also the alert, and then I'm going to say alert success. So now in the home page, let me refresh. In the home page, we have two big buttons where the user, once the user goes to the home page, he or she will be able to know what to do. So he or she would just click on this one or this one to go to the simple or advanced page.